In this video, we're going to update our .gitlab CI file in the dedicated GitLab repo for our workflow specs so that it's properly reflecting the updates that we've made to our recast workflow. So as you can see, the last pipeline failed. And if we go in and take a look at the output, we see that it's failing at recast catalog describe. And the reason for that is just that we've renamed our workflow to something other than example/hello world. So it's not finding the specified workflow name. So let's go into our .gitlab CI file and update that. Okay, so if we go back into our recast.yaml, we'll remind ourselves what we renamed the workflow to. So we renamed it to HDBS 2021-999. So we can go back in and update that in the .gitlab CI. So we'll describe that workflow instead and update here as well. And we'll also have to update it in the recast run command. And then the other thing that we're going to have to do is uncomment these two authentication lines, because we are now using the Kerberos authentication to download inputs from EOS. So we'll just comment those, and hopefully that should be everything that we need to update. So let's commit that and see what happens. Okay, it's preparing, and I'm just going to stop the recording while this is running, and we'll come back once the pipeline is finished. Okay, so we're back, and it looks like the pipeline has passed. So if we go through the pipeline output, we see that it did the setup for the Kerberos credentials, and the recast catalog describe and check both were successful, and the run output is looking good, and it produced the p-value for our statistical analysis as the workflow output. And then we've also got an artifact which we can download and take a look at to make sure that the actual files that got produced are as we would expect. Okay, so looking at the event selection, looks like the signal skim.root got produced, so that's good. And in the stat analysis, we see, yeah, both the histos.png got produced. I'll just bring that into this screen. And the p-value recast.txt was also produced. So that's all looking good, and that completes our workflow.